Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Planet Zoo on mobile. While Planet Zoo is a beloved PC game, an official mobile version does not exist. However, that doesn't mean you can't enjoy managing your dream zoo on the go. We'll explore the best methods to bring this detailed simulation experience to your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to access your saved games and continue building your wildlife empire from almost anywhere. Let's dive into the options. One of the most effective ways to play Planet Zoo on mobile is through cloud gaming services. These platforms allow you to stream the full PC version of the game directly to your phone or tablet without needing a powerful device. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming let you access your existing game library. You'll need a strong internet connection, ideally around 15 to 25 megabits per second, for a smooth and enjoyable experience with minimal latency. Another excellent method is using remote play applications. These tools let you stream Planet Zoo from your own personal computer directly to your mobile device. Steam Link, for example, is a free application that connects to your gaming PC over your home network or the internet. This means your computer does all the heavy lifting, and your phone acts as a display and input device. Ensure your PC is powered on and the game is running for seamless streaming. To get the best Planet Zoo experience on mobile, consider your setup. Cloud gaming is ideal if you don't have a high-end gaming PC, offering instant access to the game. Remote play is perfect if you already own the game on PC and want to play it from another room or while traveling. For optimal control and immersion, we highly recommend pairing a Bluetooth controller with your mobile device. This will significantly improve your gameplay, making zoo management much more intuitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.